স্থানীয় ইংরেজি সংবাদ।
Assalamu alaikum. 6:05 p.m. This is Bangladesh Betar Rajshahi, broadcasting on the evening of Tuesday, the 22nd of Posh, the 16th of Rajab, and January the 6th. The news read by Alamin Islam Imon. An awareness campaign named Vote Vehicles has started in Nougat to encourage voters ahead of the 13th national parliamentary election and referendum. The campaign began today at Muktirmur in the town. Among those present were Shodor Upazila Nirbahi Officer Ibnul Abidin, District Election Officer Abdul Muttalib, Deputy Director of the District Information Office Abu Saleh Muhammad Masudul Islam, and others. During the campaign, documentary films, motivational cultural programs, and performances related to the election and referendum are present from the voter vehicles. With the slogan, "The key to the country is in your hand," the Ministry of Cultural Affairs is conducting this nationwide mobile campaign on the 13th national parliamentary election and the July Charter. As part of this program, the campaign will be held in 6 upajelas of Nougat districts. As part of the special operation titled Operation Devil Hunt Phase 2, Rajshahi Metropolitan Police have arrested 34 people in the last 24 hours. The operation was carried out jointly with other forces to prevent instability and maintain law and order in the city. One person was arrested in serious charges including attack on the anti-discrimination student movement, explosion and terrorist activities. In separate operation by different police station and the detective branch, 33 more people were arrested. Among them, 5 were wanted in warrant cases, 4 were drug case accused, and 24 were involved in other crimes. Legal action has been taken against all the arrested persons under existing laws. Meanwhile, members of Rapid Action Battalion RAB have arrested an alleged drug peddlers with firearms and heroines in the anti-crime drive from a remote village of Rajshahi in the early hours of today. RAB sources said the arrestee has been identified as Royal Hossain, son of Mojibur Rahman, at Jod Kadipur village under Bagha Upazila. On a tip of a team of the elite force conducted a raid at Royal's residence around 2:20 a.m. and recovered 2 one-shooter guns, 4 rubber bullets, and 300 grams of heroin. Sources also said the arrestee was involved in drug trading, and Inspector Mufakkarul Islam said 575 cases were filed online in December against motorcycle, buses, trucks, and CNG vehicles for lacking registration, valid papers, and for breaking traffic rules. Against these cases, 30,02,500 taka was collected online through US cash. To ease the suffering caused by severe cold, Northwest Power Generation Company Limited has distributed blanket among 700 poor and helpless families in Sirajganj under its corporate social responsibility program. The distribution took place today at Panchashonari Rehabilitation Graveyard Madrasa Field in Saidabad Union of Shodor Upazila, covering areas around the power plants. The chief engineer of Sirajganj Power Plant, Shafiqul Islam, was present as the chief guest. He said, "Standing beside underprivileged people during winter is part of social responsibility, and such support will continue in the future." Dense fog over the past few days has damaged seedbeds of Iri Boro rice at Shibganj Upazila in Bogura. Farmers are using polythene to protect the seedbeds. According to the Upazila Agriculture Office, the target of Boro cultivation this season is 21,035 hectares. The seedbed target was set at 1,051 hectares, of which 915 hectares have already been prepared. Upazila Agriculture Officer Abdul Hannan said due to dense fog, water level of 2 to 3 centimeter must be maintained in the seedbeds. If the seedlings turn yellow, 10 grams of urea should be mixed with 1 liter of water and sprayed. He added that farmers are being given round-the-clock advice through sub-assistant agriculture officers to protect the seedbeds. Finally, weather. The highest temperature in Rajshahi was 18.5 degrees Celsius and the lowest temperature was 7 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 65% at 3 p.m. today. Sunset in Rajshahi and adjacent areas today was at 5:31 p.m. And that's the end of the news. Our next bulletin will be at 7 p.m. in Bangla.